Greetings, fellow Zimbabweans. I'm yours truly, Comrade Knox. It has been a while since our last chat. A lot has been happening in your country, including the very important visit of the South African head of state, His Excellency, President Cyril Matabele Ramaphosa of South Africa. Let us meet today, tonight, 5th of May, 2028 hours. I thank you. Vana veZimbabwe, hatisangane futi nhasi. Manheru 28 hours. Zvakawanda zviri kuitika munyika. Zvinosanganisira kubvakata kwakaitwa nemutungamiriri weSouth Africa vanoremekedzwa vaCyril Matamela Ramaphosa. Tikurukure nezvimwe zviri pamwoyo penyu nezvamunotarisira. Tinotenda. Vahlabe Zulu, siyabonga, asihlangane namhla isikhathi sika 28 hours entambama. Sixoxe okunengi ukugoqela ukuthekelelwa kwelizwe ngumphathi ntambo, umkhokheli weSouth Africa, umhlonitshwa uCyril Matamela Ramaphosa. Ngiyabonga, tinotenda, tinobonga, inkomo.